Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. In today's video I am going to share with you something very important. But before that, let me show you something. As you can see here is a pond behind me, and the water chestnut plant is growing in this pond. And I really like water chestnut. Do you like? If you, so tell me into the comment box. So but now I don't know, is it growing or not, is it available or not. So I'm not going to pluck it, just I'm going to just share with you something, the topic, about the topic. Okay, so if I talk about the topic, so my friend, you know what, when we start learning English language, so in our initial days, if if a person who is learning English language, he is alone or she is alone, so he doesn't have knowledge about it, he doesn't have kind of information that is he doing well, is she doing well or not. For example, if I am learning English, if I am speaking English, I don't know I'm speaking wrong or right. Okay, so what happens actually, in our initial days, we just chase perfections. We chase perfection, like somehow I should speak perfectly, somehow I should learn English perfectly so that I could speak fluently. And so many people, they just chase perfections, and because of chasing perfections, when they see that, yeah, they are not chasing perfections and they have been learning English for a long time, still they are not chasing perfection. So they think that, I think that I am not going well, and they just give up. They quit. They think that, no, English is not fair, and I think so I am not fair, I'm not good enough, I'm not fair enough to learn English, and English is not for me, so I should not learn it, right? So many people think that, and they just quit, right? So in this video I'm going to share with you, my friend, if you are not chasing perfection, if you are not speaking perfectly, if you are not speaking fluently, if you are not learning English perfectly, don't worry about it, because it happened to me as well. I have been learning English for a long time, and I have been learning English alone. You know, there is no one with me, and still I am alone here. I learn with my own self, I speak with my own self, I learn with my phone, and yes, with the help of my phone, I learn a lot of things. And just because of this thing, just because of this phone, today I am able to record my video here. I'm able to speak English. So the point is, when we start learning English, when we start speaking English, we face many problems. We make mistakes. And you know what, so many people, they don't want to make mistakes. They think that I should speak perfectly, I should not make many mistakes. If I am making many mistakes, so it means that I'm not doing well, I'm not learning well. And they think that I'm not good at English, right? But my friend, making mistakes is not a bad thing. We are learning something. It is okay to make mistakes, it is okay to forget something, it is okay to fumble, it is okay to stumble. It is okay if you are not speaking well. It happens to everyone, it happens to many people who start learning English. Okay, don't afraid to make mistakes, don't afraid of making mistakes, don't afraid to be judged, like someone will say that, I'm not speaking well and I'm making mistakes, right? I'm here, I'm speaking maybe, and I am making mistakes, many mistakes I make. A lot of mistakes I make while speaking English, while recording my video. And still I'm not fluent, I'm not so much fluent, I'm just improving my English language also. Okay, so we should not chase we should not chase perfection in our initial days. Getting the point? And my friend, if I talk about myself, so when I was learning English language, at those days there was no one, I was alone. And I used to think that, I don't know, am I speaking good, am I speaking right or wrong. you know I was just speaking and speaking and speaking and learning so many things. I was just using my phone, there was no partner, no one there for practice, for speaking with me. And you know what, I didn't install any type of application in my phone, because I have actually not had, but I have a very unique type of ability, and I mentioned it many videos, that I can speak with myself. Yes, and I have been speaking with myself in my mother tongue, in English language. Right now, nowadays, most often I speak in English language with myself. And before some time, when I didn't know how to speak English, at those days I used to speak with in my mother tongue with myself, you know. So this is a very unique habit, you know. And I think so, I think that I want you to speak with yourself. Have you ever tried to speak with yourself? I mean, it is very, very unique. But don't try to speak in front of people, you know, otherwise they will make a lot of stories that I don't know, I think he or she is going mad, and he has lost his mind, or she has lost his mind. He is speaking with him or herself, you know. So he is speaking himself or she is speaking herself, so they are going mad. So people will make a lot of stories, you know. So don't try to speak in front of the people, just try to speak with yourself. And that is why I didn't know that how many mistakes I was making, and how many times I'm stucking, how many times I'm facing different kinds of problems. I mean, I was making a lot of mistakes while speaking English, while learning English. But when I started just watching videos and recording videos, then I found that how many times I'm making mistakes, and where am I making mistakes. Like as I'm recording my video here, in the same way there are many people who are recording their videos, you know, and they are posting on YouTube. Right. So when I watch those videos, then I learn a lot of things. Then I find my mistakes. I just find a lot of mistakes, that yes, here I'm making mistakes, here I'm making mistakes. And by those imperfections, I'm learning a lot of things. I am just scrutinizing my mistakes, and I'm observing English, you know. So my friend, the point is that when we are learning English, we are speaking English, if you don't have anyone for practice for speaking, just speak. Whatever you are speaking, just speak. If I had thought that I'm making mistakes, and there is no one with me, and I should not speak, I should not learn English with my own self, how can I speak with myself? How can I learn with myself? So I would not have been able to speak here, you know. So that is why I'm saying that just don't think about perfection, don't chase perfection, just try to speak the way you are speaking. If you are making mistakes, don't worry about it. Make mistakes, but learn from it. Okay, don't ignore it, learn from it. And in the end of the day, you will be able to speak fluently. You know, whatever you want to become in your life, whatever you want to do in your life, you can do. But keep honest and keep doing that work again and again. Don't break the consistency. Okay, because it asks resilience, it asks patience. You know, we will have to work hard, we will have to speak every single day, we will have to go outside for speaking, or at home. If you are speaking at home, you will speak, you will have to speak if you really want to speak English, you know. It asks many sacrifices, you know. So we should not think like we should be perfect for speaking English, we should be perfect for learning English. No, nothing like, there is nothing like that. Just you should have thought in your mind that yes, I want to learn English. And if you have this phone, no one can stop you to learn English, you know. And no one can stop you to do anything in your life. Everything is possible in this world. Okay, so my friend, keep speaking, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep doing whatever you are doing. And I hope that yes, one day you must become whatever you want to become, as long as you try, as long as you work hard every single day. Okay, so just keep practicing and learn, and just grow. Okay, evolve yourself, know the best version of you. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.